getting dark real fast. And cars are driving by. Hey guys, I haven't done much lately on my channel, and I figured I should do something. And here's a box. Here is a box that has says M parts on it, and it's got something. It's a big box, but it's not that heavy. So I'm going to. It just showed up today, basically at my door. So I am going to open this box, and we are going to see what's inside of it. And that should be it for this video. It's getting late, dark and cold, so I'm just too excited to see what's in it, and the installation hopefully will take place. I'm going to promise something and then not keep the promise, so I'm going to try and do the best and do the installation as soon as I can, as soon as it is possible. And okay, well, let's get to it. Let's cut the tape and see what's inside of this box. Yeah, I'm a little bit excited about this part. It's going to be, can you guess what it's going to be? Can anyone guess what it is going to be? Yeah, I can kind of bang it like that because this is this. Just have a look at this. And this is an M3 front bumper support, or a crash bar. That's depending on what you like to call it. But well, I don't know if this will actually fit. I have seen people installing these, or at least I've read on forums people doing this upgrade, but personally I really have no experience. I have no knowledge what it's going to be like. The difference is between what's on the car currently and this is that this is carbon fiber, and what's on the car is like stamped welded steel. That thing is heavy. This is not so much. So it is a used part because it costs a ton of money to buy this new, and it makes no sense to spend that much money on a well, I don't know how much we are going to save. So any guesses? I will do the measurements when I get to install this, but it's definitely not heavy. I mean, that's one hand. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that this upgrade is going to help us save some weight, reduce the mass of this car, and improve the handling, I guess, since it's going to be less kilograms in front of all the way in the front of the car. That bar is heavy. You can remove the factory steel crash bar and drive without it if you're doing like whatever racing, but it's a crash bar, so if anything happens to you, this should be sort of a help. And well, naturally, since it's called it is called a crash bar, so I think it looks really good. It's not a damaged. There is no damage. There is no. I mean, it's a bit dusty. Ta-da! I guess I like it. It's like I said, carbon fiber factory. Well, the base is steel or aluminum, actually. I think. I'm not sure, but it's all a factory build unit. So all of this is a factory. So, well, like I said, the only unknown is if the bumper is going to, the original E90 standard bumper is going to fit fine, okay over this. So we will figure that out, or we will find that out when I get to install this in place of the factory steel bar. And that's it for this video. Thanks for visiting my channel, watching my videos, and I guess I will see you soon in one of my next episodes.